Population 3 stars are the first stars that form in the universe. So shortly after the Big Bang, the universe was comprised of gas that was really just hydrogen and helium. And stars which are formed from this primordial gas are what we refer to as POP3 stars. These are really interesting stars. Simulations show us that we expect them to be significantly more massive than stars formed today, perhaps with typical masses 100 times larger than the mass of our sun. So up until this point, the study of population 3 stars has been mainly theoretical. So for several decades, astronomers have been running numerical simulations and doing analytic calculations to understand the properties of these stars and when and where they form. This observations, if truly POP3, would represent the first direct detection of this class of star. In my group, my students and I run numerical simulations, often at the Ohio Supercomputer Center, to predict how the first stars form and make predictions for telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. Its recent launch has really revolutionized our field and made it possible to look back at these first stars in the universe. POP3 stars are interesting for several reasons. First of all, in our theory of cosmology, small objects form first and merge into larger objects. The first stars form in these small objects and therefore serve as building blocks for early galaxies that ultimately evolve into galaxies like the one we live in today, the Milky Way. So it really teaches us, population 3 stars help us understand our cosmic origins. They might also help us to understand the nature of dark matter, which is one of the biggest mysteries in astronomy and physics.